For technical trade businesses like manufacturing or repair businesses, mechanic shops, they depend on phone conversations to land jobs. Most often, the person answering the phone is either the owner, the manager, or a skilled technician. That person is usually wearing multiple hats, and they can't afford to be overwhelmed with junk calls. I know this from experience running my own small block Chevy and Ford business for 15 years. It was a very technical business. A small variation in the keywords could mean something completely different. It could be a product or service that we don't even offer. We specialize in Google Ads management for these types of technical businesses where precision matters. When you do business with me, I manage your account for you. It's a done-for-you service. You work directly with me. I don't outsource the work at all. I run it myself. I curate the account multiple times per week. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching.